Hi, I'm Caro, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Lens for March 30th, 2026, covering the week of March 23rd to 27th. Last week delivered a masterclass in market whiplash. The S&P 500 logged its fifth straight weekly decline, while the Dow entered correction territory for the first time since 2023. Three forces collided. Iran tensions sent Brent crude surging back above $100 per barrel by Friday, reigniting inflation fears and pushing the 10-year Treasury yield toward 4.90%. Thursday's semiconductor rally, ARM up 18%, AMD and Intel both up cent, evaporated when Google unveiled memory compression technology, triggering concern that efficiency gains might slow infrastructure spending. And Meta's $380 million legal liability, while financially trivial, set a precedent threatening thousands of similar lawsuits across big tech. ARM surged 18% this week on guidance and a Meta partnership. Their AGI CPUs promise 4 times more processing per watt, critical as agentic AI systems run locally, not just in the cloud. Microsoft paused development on 5 Redmond campus buildings, signaling the era of headcount expansion may be over. Shopify merchants can now sell directly through ChatGPT's interface, a strategic inflection for e-commerce distribution. Rubrik launched Sage, their semantic AI governance engine, tackling a key enterprise challenge, auditing and compliance for probabilistic AI agents. Finally, On Holding sees a leadership shuffle as co-founders reassume co-CEO roles after just 1 year. Our chart of the day reveals a striking simplification in equity markets. Since the Iran conflict began, the S&P 500 has tracked almost perfectly with an inverted oil and yields composite from Piper Sandler. When crude rises and rates stay elevated, stocks fall in lockstep. This one-variable market suggests fundamentals have taken a backseat to geopolitical energy dynamics. For investors, watch oil levels closely. They're currently the primary driver of equity direction. Until this correlation breaks, diversification matters less than your energy exposure. Here's what to watch this week. Tuesday, March 31st marks Q1 end. Expect volatility from portfolio rebalancing, not fundamentals. April 1st is the key tariff deadline. Any surprise from the Trump administration will move markets and the US dollar significantly. Early April brings critical economic data, especially housing and labor markets. Watch for employment stabilization signals. Also monitor if the Dow holds at correction levels and whether Treasury yields stay below 4.5%. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.